love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to. Virgo. This is a Virgo reading, bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Virgo? Kamusta? You're trying to manifest something stable? Ano to? Is this romantic? Or is this about business partnership? You're trying to be patient, no? Na magkaroon ng magandang outcome yung bagay na minamanifest mo. Okay? Waiting for your harvest time. Okay? Sabi mo, is kaya yan. Kapit lang. Virgo reading. Bonus reading for the month of June. Tingnan natin kung anong para sa mga Virgo. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay. Last 3 shuffles for the Virgo. Kamusta? Nag-resonate ba ang ating June reading? Alright. Let's see. Woo! Maraming pag-uusap tungkol sa investment. Meron kang kakausapin na gusto mong mag-offer ng investment or magbigay ng love offer. Let's see. Right now, you're trying to, may mga challenges about your pentacles. The masculine is having some challenges right now. Okay. Marami siyang plano, mga like future plans, stability, that's the 11-11 energy, about a soulmate connection. Okay? So, maraming plano yung masculine para sa kanyang partner, para sa kanyang empress. So, right now, nagkakaroon ng mga misunderstanding sa partnership na to because it feels like yung mga win-work out in the past, parang nasayang lang ba still on the waiting game? So, kung money ang problema dito, parang hindi ma-move forward yung connection because yung mga hinihintay na financial stability nagkakaroon ng delays. But the willingness to build on this connection, okay, parang nagkakaroon ng this relationship is on hold. Do iniisip lang na ayusin, na i-build, but the effort, hindi ko siya makita. Puro isip-isip lang kung paano ang ayusin, but hindi. And then, because of that, I feel nagkaroon ng frustration. There has been a choice, after all the sleepless nights and overthinking, parang kailangan mo nang to walk away. May problema sa money at naapektuhan ang love life. Right now, the Empress, nalulungkot siya, sobrang naapektuhan. Ang dami niyang doubts right now. But the Empress is starting a new chapter. Kahit marami siyang doubts kung anong meron dun sa bagong chapter na sinisimulan niya. Okay? May tinapos na pain. So right now, I feel walang pag-uusap kasi nagpapakiramdaman, ini-stalk nyo yung isa't isa sa social media or nagtatanong sa friends, kamusta na siya, okay pa ba siya? Alright. But meron ako nakikita dito na parang pending na love offer, iniisip kung mag-offer ng love, but natatakot na baka naman hindi matanggap. Baka hindi, I feel ko sino naman yung mag-offer, but majority of you, syempre, yung masculine, yung mag-offer nung love here, reconnection, but natatakot siya na baka hindi tanggapin, hindi magustuhan yung kayang ibigay niya right now. Okay, so right now, nagkakaroon ng, in the past, nagkaroon ng disinterest yung female here, the feminine, she feels so defeated, ang daming pagtatalo, ang daming disagreements. Kakaroon ba ng trust issues here? Or are you dealing with a same-sex connection? Okay. Let's see. Right now, ang dami. Right now, yung feminine is Nagmamanifest about kung ano yung mga gusto niyang mangyari about this connection. Ay, what's this? Recent past, nawawala na ng passion yung feminine here to make this, marami ng doubts kung mag-workout pa. Ooh. Merong gustong bumalik. At merong third energy here na nakaka-apekto sa partnership na to. But parang naging on and off tong connection na to. So right now, merong pinagpe-pray na another offer of love. Tama pa ba daw na mag-offer? Kasi parang napapagod na ipaglaban tong relationship na to. Ang dami daw mga fake na promises na nagdala ng disappointment and broken heart. So right now, I can see that the Emperor, the masculine here, is ginagawa naman niya yung best niya in terms of personal development and working on the finances. Kaya lang, no, parang I feel, no, may transition of being a boy, going through the manhood, being more responsible, kasi may Emperor, and then the King of Wands, medyo playful yung energy. So parang nagkakaroon ng transition. So kung hindi man nagiging consistent yung masculine sa mga actions, it's because of this major transformation na nangyayari sa buhay niya. So Virgo, I feel your person feels so defeated right now about finances because your person is trying to manifest mga offer, trabaho. Hinahanap niya kung saan siya magiging okay. Marami siyang hinahanap na stability, mga connections na maaaring makatulong sa kanya sa goals niya. Ang dami mo ng doubts, Virgo, about this connection. Sabi mo is kaya pa ba? Kaya pa bang ilaban? Though you're trying to be very patient, especially with the masculine, habang inaayos ng masculine yung buhay niya. Because I feel, no, ang haba na nung hinintay na panahon ng feminine here na ayusin ng masculine yung buhay niya, yung ugali niya, yung maturity niya. But hindi ko rin naman nakikita na intentionally gustong pumalas ng masculine. So para lang, the masculine is trying to string the feminine along here. Binibigyan niya ng mga promises. Kaya lang yung financial stability, hindi pa rin talaga makuha. Hindi na alam ko ano yung gagawing plano. Trying to step back at i-reassess yung mga plano, yung mga ginagawa right now. Yung movement na mga gustong mangyari, hindi nangyayari. But I feel the feminine is still trying to be very patient with yung transformation na nangyari dun sa masculine. In the next 3 months, I feel there is the full energy here, taking a leap of faith. Kung nagkakaroon ng mga disagreements here, I feel, and I highly recommend for you to have the Madagascar Rose Quartz to attract harmony sa relationship niyong dalawa. Okay? And for you to protect lahat ng mga minamanifest na dreams with regards sa finances and relationship, I feel you need the black tourmaline, and this is the citrine for the money, attraction of money, good business connections. Okay, so meron ditong full card, taking a leap of faith to make the good judgment, but the moment na magdi-decide daw, atras abante na naman, nagkakaroon na naman ng uncertainties and doubts. So the outcome would be the Page of Wands. Maraming gustong pag-usapan about this connection, pero parang sabi ng feminine, wag na. Baka may masabi na naman daw siyang hindi maganda. I feel magkakaroon na naman ng disappointment here, so manage your expectations, especially sa side ng feminine. Gusto nyo namang i-keep yung relationship na to. Mahalaga kayo para sa isa't isa. So, isipin mabuti, no, timbangin, mas marami ba yung happy moments at nagiging inspiration nyo ba yung isa't isa, o mas marami yung konsumisyon at parang nadadamay na pati yung mga dreams at mga goals na binibuild nyo together, okay? I feel may mga ipapangako na naman about stability na maaaring hindi na naman mapanindigan. So manage your expectations here, alright? So that would be the Virgo reading for the bonus reading for the month of June. See you again in a few days for your July reading. At PM nyo ako for your personal reading at kung paano ka magkaroon ng blessed and ritualized na crystals na to. Bye-bye, Virgo! Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pampaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at naorasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.